The Pomodoro Technique, a tale of tomatoes, time, and triumph. Hi, I'm Thrive. I'm a Fortune 500 HR manager and life coach, and I'm here to help. Okay, picture this. You're drowning in deadlines. Your email inbox looks like a crime scene. In your brain, a spaghetti mess of chaos. Sound familiar? Well, my friend, let me introduce you to a technique so simple, so effective, and so brazenly tomato-themed that it might just save your sanity. Yes, I'm talking about the Pomodoro Technique. What's that? Glad you asked. Let's take a little journey back to the 1980s, a simpler time when hair was big, jeans were acid washed, and a young Italian student was about to revolutionize productivity with a kitchen timer. So, the story begins with a guy named Francesco Cirillo. He was a college student with a dream, or maybe just a desperate need to pass his exams. One day, he grabs a timer shaped like a tomato, yes, a literal tomato, or pomodoro in Italian, and says to himself, let's see if I can focus for 10 minutes. Turns out he could. Shocker. That one small experiment grew into a productivity system that would take over the world. Kind of like the Beatles, but with fewer screaming fans and more ticking sounds. And thus, the Pomodoro Technique was born. A name so fancy you'd think it came with a side of marinara. But the concept? Pure genius. Here's how it works. The Pomodoro Technique is simple. Like, why didn't I think of this simple? And it goes like this. Pick a task. Any task. Maybe it's writing an essay, cleaning your kitchen, or finally unsubscribing from all those emails about extended car warranties. Guilty. Now, set a timer for 25 minutes. This is your Pomodoro. Work on the task and only that task until the timer rings. No distractions, not even that quick scroll through Instagram. When the timer goes off, stop. Seriously, even if you're mid-thought, take a 5-minute break. Hydrate, stretch, or stare blankly at the wall. It's your break. You do you. Repeat the cycle 4 times and then reward yourself with a longer 15 to 30-minute break. Yeah, that means snacks are totally Pomodoro approved. It's like intervals at the gym, but for your brain. And the best part, it's so effective that you might actually finish that thing that you've been procrastinating since 2014. Okay, let's talk science. So why does working in 25-minute chunks feel so magical? Your brain loves boundaries. It's like a toddler. Tell it to focus forever and it'll throw a tantrum. But tell it to focus for 25 minutes, and it's like, oh, I could totally do that. This technique also taps into something called time scarcity. When you know you've got limited time, you're less likely to waste it Googling, why does my cat hate me, or deep diving into conspiracy theories about the moon landing. Did we really land on it? Anyway, now, before you run off to Amazon to buy a tomato timer, let me warn you about a few rookie mistakes. I've done these. Overloading your Pomodoros. Don't cram 47 tasks into one 25-minute session. This isn't a clown car, it's a focused time block. Skipping breaks. I see you overachievers, but breaks are part of this system. They're like commas in a sentence. Skip them, everything falls apart. Pro tip, turn off notifications, shut the door, and if necessary, threaten your roommates with a Nerf gun. Only Nerf, not real. Remember, the Pomodoro Technique only works if you protect your focus like it's the last pizza at a party. Here's the thing. Productivity doesn't have to feel like a prison sentence. Want to make Pomodoros fun? Try these. Use funky timers. There are apps with sounds like ocean waves or a screaming goat. Gamify it. Reward yourself with a treat for every Pomodoro you complete. Pair tasks with music. Just make sure it's instrumental, or you'll end up karaokeing instead of working. So who's the Pomodoro Technique for? Short answer, literally everyone. Long answer, if you're a student, it's great for studying. If you're working from home, it's perfect for staying focused. And if you're a chronic procrastinator, well, congratulations. You've just met your match. At its core, the Pomodoro Technique is about taking control of your time, one tiny tomato-shaped chunk at a time. Will it solve all your problems? No. Will it help you tackle that to-do list with a little less dread? Absolutely. And hey, if a tomato can change productivity forever, who's to say you can't conquer your goals this year? So grab a timer or just a phone and give it a shot. You might just surprise yourself. So that's all for today, Thrivers, my time management friends. And if you find this video helpful or you just like my face, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit that little bell so you never miss a new video. And until next time, stay productive, stay caffeinated, and remember, you've got this. I'm Thrive. Bye.